how beautiful. See around.
Mommy.
Coming. I'm coming. Mom ng mom to. Kala ko matunaw to today eh. So we got more pala. Iniwan na ako. Ang grocery pa ako after this. Gustong gusto niya talaga yan. Dali na, get up na oy. Bus is here. Lala. Wala pa yung bus niya guys. Maglalaro. Come back here now.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Tired? Okay, no. Come on na. Rest now. Hi guys. Samahan niyo ako mag-grocery. Mag-grocery tayo. It's snowing today. Snowing. So white around you guys. Ang ganda. Nasa malalim guys. Guys, di ba? Kailangan kasama ako, di ba? Yan. Hindi siya. Ayan guys. Ito yung apartment namin. Tiran! So, everything is so white talaga guys today. Woke up this morning around like 5:30. And ayun nga, pag silip ko, wow, so like a snowstorm, so fluffy. So, ingat. Nag-grocery ako. After ko na drop off si Kilani. Tagal pa ng bus, na late pa today. So, ayan. Ayan, mataas na siya. See? Tsaka thankful ako kasi hindi siya tag nito windy. It's not windy today, so that's good. So beautiful. Na ako sa grocery. So, meron pa ako nito guys. So, pero bibili na ako ng dalawa kasi baka maubusan ako. Takot ako maubusan. So, dalawa lang. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung saan yung favorite area namin ni Kilani maglaro. Ayan. Ito yung favorite area namin ni Kay. Kasi maganda yung tree. Ala, muntik na ako madulas. Ayan, video pa. Madulas, ayan. Let's go to another side na makita niyo. Ayan. Kasi dyan kami naglalaro. Ayan. Kasi super floppy na ngayon. Oh. Ang ganda talaga siya. Ayan. Namang lalim na siya. Lalim na. Sana maganda pa rin to ano, mamaya. So, Kilani can play. Parang may ano, airplane. Whoops.
So, how beautiful, guys. It's all white. So white. Everything's melting now. Kasi hindi siya masyadong malamig eh. Gusto ko sana mag-walking. Mag-walking lang kasi hindi ginagawa ko. May premiere pa.
Ah, naglalaro na naman.
Roll down into the pond there.
No, she's not. She's smart. She's not going there. Hoy! Baby girl, it's ano na oh. Okay, let's go. Get up, sweetie. Let's go though.
Let's go.
That's it?
More snow.
Yeah. It was a lot of snow this morning. Don't roll down there, baby. Hey, don't roll down all the way down there.
Too far.
Yeah.
Makes you wet down there.
Or an aso. It's like a dog there.
Mommy, follow me.
Oh, you can go over there. I don't want to follow you. Oh, Daddy will follow you.
Daddy, can I?
Okay.
Yeah, it was beautiful this morning here. I was gonna take a picture. I said, Mommy, there's no time. So like, now it's melt. Come here. You're too far na. Mahulog na naman.
What now?
Dali na. You're too far. Where are you going? Huh? Can see you. Hey, come on. Daddy's waiting. Don't roll down the hill, love. Hindi mo na. Sabi na daddy yan, roll down the hill daw. Nag-antay ko. Dali. Ano? I can see you. You just Ay, Kilani. I can see Kilani. Is this the snowsuit?
To do a somersault.
Huh?
Somersault.
What is that? Somersault? Oh. No, don't do it. Oh, go ahead daw. Daddy said go ahead. You did at school? No. No? My, love your daughter. Daddy hates snow. Look at his daughter. How love the snow.
Catch me.
Got you.
Mommy.
I thought you were gonna do somersault. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Dad.
No tag. Yeah, do some. Go ahead. Come on, one more time if you want. Good job. Daddy, you wanna do it? Ask Daddy to do a video. Sa kabila wala ng snow guys. So, kaya nung umaga sobrang dami. Kaya aso na. Dali na, oy. Are you done yet? Daddy. Cold. Ilalamig yung asawa ko. Oh, dali na daw, oy. Done? Are you gonna bring a... Whoa! It's a perfect for snowman. Yeah. There you go. Perfect for snowman, ah. Wait. Oh no, I don't wanna go. I don't wanna. Look, guys, it's only like 4 o'clock, but it looks like I don't know. So dark. It's like 6 o'clock.
One last
Yeah, look, eh? So dark. It's like 6 o'clock. Dali na, baby.
No, it's
Sleepy.
sleepy. No, it's Kevin. The game's off.
Yeah. Yeah, this is perfect for snowman. To make snowman, guys.
Buy her another pair of gloves then.
Huh?
Have to buy her another pair
Oh, love lost. They have so many too. I hope they have
of mitts.
I
mitts.
wanna.
She don't like mitts though.
Mitts are warmer actually.
I don't know, Daddy. That one is warmer. It's okay. You can use mine. It's big. Huy!
Hi, sweetie.
Dali na.
Wait, the snow it can carry my arm.
Oh, dali na. There's more snow and close to our place.
Okay.
Dali na. Hoy, that's not our backyard. Come on.
Guess what?
Nagbit-bit na ng snow. Huy, hala. Dirty nuggets that, baby. Ay. Itong sikilyan, bigla-bigla na lang ito hihiga eh. Ay, ganap. What's gonna swim me, baby?